Hello everyone. I've just finished my day with my gorgeous clients and I just had a look at the affirmation on my gratitude calendar and I thought I'd do a quick little balance around this because sometimes it's hard to remember. You do not deserve happiness. You choose happiness. Happiness is natural. Happiness is natural. It is freely available to all. It is freely available to all. It is unconditional. It is unconditional. And when you too are unconditional about happiness, then happiness merely happens. I choose happiness. I choose to be happy. I am grateful for every gift I've ever been given, have now, and am yet to receive. I am grateful for who I am and who I can be. I am grateful to uncovering the gems that are already here. I am grateful for uncovering the gems that are already here. I am full of life and filled with possibility. I am epically aligned. I am spiritual. I am happy. I am grateful. I constantly attract opportunities in my life that add happiness and harmony to my world. I am manifesting so much happiness in my life through the choices I make, minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day. You do not deserve happiness, you choose happiness. Happiness is natural. It is freely available to all. Happiness is unconditional. And when you are unconditional about happiness, then happiness merely happens. Okay, beautiful people. It's been a long day. I hope you all have a spectacular sleep, a spectacular day. I hope you find some things to allow you happiness into your day for whatever time there is. I shall see you all again soon. Love you all. Take care.